Hi, welcome to Kimchi Beyond. Today we're making mustard green kimchi with mussel broth. First, trim the green mustard well. Salt it for 30 minutes. Wash it 3 times to remove excess salt. We're skipping blanching today to maintain the texture. Now, we're preparing a special broth for our kimchi. First, we'll add fresh mussels and green peppers. Anchovies add a rich, savory flavor, if available. In Korea's coastal regions, various raw, fermented, dried, or cooked seafood is used. For a vegan version, use vegetable broth. Green onions, carrots. You can skip the tomatoes. Green peppers. Mix mussel broth, blended radish, and all ingredients. Grated radish adds freshness. Mince garlic. Tailor the seasoning to your taste. Ginger powder or fresh ginger. Fish sauce. Boiling fish sauce can reduce the fishy odor. Red pepper. The spice level can be adjusted. Use chili flakes if red pepper powder isn't available. Plum syrup or sugar. Carbs like steamed rice make the flavor deeper with microbes. Salted shrimp. Mix well. Taste and add salt now if needed. Adding salt late can cause bitterness in kimchi. If you need to add salt late, use fish sauce instead. Taste the kimchi now and add more seasoning if needed. It's finished. Pack the mustard green kimchi tightly into a clean jar. Press down to remove air pockets. Let it sit for 2 days, then refrigerate. The cooler temperature after 2 days enhances the flavors. Omelette. Grilled fish. Soup base.